representing Aisha Jumwa for all the criminal matters that she has faced. We started representing cabinet nominee Aisha Jumwa from the date she was elected as a member of parliament for Malindi. We have walked through the processes at the investigation stage, at the DCI stage. We have been with her since she took plea. We are with her, and what we tell the Kenyans is that those charges were politically instigated. Those were charges that were brought up to twist Mheshimiwa Jumwa to join the political party of Jubilee at that time. Now that being the matter, she has been nominated to be a cabinet nominee for the public service and gender, yet the party ODM has sworn that they will stop her from being cleared. Do they have the capacity to stop Aisha Jumwa from being cleared as a cabinet nominee? This is the position of the law. One, this country, everybody is presumed to be innocent until proved guilty. Aisha Jumwa has not been convicted of any matter in this country. Two, who has the constitutional mandate to declare somebody guilty? It is only the judiciary. The DCI, the DPP, the EACC do not have any constitutional mandate. They investigate, they charge, they become witnesses in court. And therefore, Kenyans gave the judiciary that mandate. The mandate that we have seen today, where the judiciary has sentenced Waluki. It is not the DPP, neither is it the DCI, nor is it the EACC to deal with the questions of Aisha Jumwa. Has this been a precedent? Yes. Retired President Uhuru Kenyatta was allowed to contest, yet he had a criminal matter in the ICC. The current president, Dr. William Ruto, was allowed to contest in 2013, yet they were facing criminal charges of genocide, mass killings. Third, are there governors who have been allowed to contest? All the governors, including the governor of Nairobi, Governor Sakaja, was allowed to contest, and everybody has been allowed to contest. Was Jumwa cleared to contest for the governorship of Kilifi? Yes. The questions of her academic certificates were dealt with. She was validly nominated by UDA to contest the seat of the governorship. Another issue that is coming up all over is that this is a war against a woman. This is profiling the women of this country. If it was not her gender, ODM be fighting over this matter. ODM should remember that their presidential candidate was sworn in illegally, and that was an offense of treason. He was allowed to contest in Azimio ticket. Mheshimiwa Kajwang himself was charged with a treason offense. He never lost his seat. We have a lot of offenses where politicians have been charged. And therefore, we stand as the councils representing Aisha Jumwa that she will not be stopped from being a cabinet secretary. The only provision of law that will stop her from getting that position is if Parliament does not approve her. The Secretary General of ODM, one, Wakili Sifuna, has been hitting hard that they will ensure she does not get clear. The Senator Secretary General Sifuna is not a member of the National Assembly. He will not vote for her or against her. That is a preserve for members of the National Assembly. 349 of them. Sifuna is not there. Let him deal with matters Senate. We are also putting it to this: how many Kenyans have criminal challenges and who have been acquitted? What will happen if Aisha Jumwa is acquitted in all those matters? How will she be compensated for losing that position? So it is our position that this is malice by ODM. This is completely out of order. The position of appointing and nominating is a preserve of the head of state. Cabinets don't apply for jobs. They are nominated by the head of state. Aisha Jumwa has been nominated by a valid elected President of the Republic of Kenya. She will go through the vetting process by the committee that vets for appointments. Then the voting will be there. We are urging people not to profile women in this country so that we allow more women leadership in this country, and as her lawyers, we will defend Aisha Jumwa all the way until she becomes the woman cabinet secretary in charge of gender. So we are calling upon the Azimio group to accept that the battle of who is the next president of the republic has been settled by the Supreme Court. We are also calling to Azimio to leave the citizens of this country get cabinet ministers for work to start, and we are calling for them to respect the decision of the president for nominating a lady candidate. Remember, Aisha Jumwa is the first woman candidate to be a CS from Coast. Thank you very much.